Okay, we're day 2, sailing lessons. Today we're actually getting on the boat. So, I guess it's sink or swim kind of time here, you know what I mean? So, here's the harbor, here's where we are. You see the tanker ship out there. It's kind of coming in hot. Should be a good day. All right, day 2, we're minutes away from being out in the harbor. Noah, how you feeling?
What's up?
Hey Sam, what's up? So we're all rigged up here, getting ready to ride. And I really don't know what to expect. It's been since I was like 7 since I've sailed an Optimus. Hopefully it comes back to me. Uh-oh. We've got one group on the way out, ladies and gentlemen. It's happening. So we're out here in the middle of Charleston Harbor, the sun's setting. We're sailing J-22s. We're still alive. The jib's out, the main's out. We've got a great crew. Having a good time out here. Oh my God, that's a good wind right there.
All right, prepare to tack?
Yeah.
Tacking.
We're tacking.